Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Today I came over to show you how the paper that I made a few days ago works when die cutting. I will be starting with the gel gloss paper. I'm gonna try to cut this intricate die. Let me zoom out a little bit right there. I just realized it was the same die cut. Let me do it again. Let me get the other part and let me clean it up. And I just realized that I removed this part. Elmer's clear glue. Okay, this is with the Elmer's clear glue. Let me put this to this side. Now let's try it with the Elmer's multi-purpose glue. Now this one is taking a little bit. I don't know why it didn't cut that well, so I will try it again. I don't know, it feels like it's not cutting on that side, but let's see. I didn't clean it up this time, so okay, that worked. Let me try it one more time. Maybe it's just the folder that I'm using is old already and I have not bought a replacement, so it could be that. Okay, let's do this one more time. Okay, let's see if that worked. It seems like it did. Let's see. Before I take it out. Oh, okay. Okay, so this worked. Maybe the pressure of where I placed the die was not proper, and that's why it didn't work. But this is with the Elmer's this is with the Elmer's multi-purpose glue. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I am back. This was with the Elmer's multi-purpose. This was with the Elmer's clear glue. And this was with the gel gloss. I think I misplaced some of my flowers. As you can see, the glitter does not come off. It works fine. And now let's test it by gluing it to I also wanted to show you that you can add some color to the glitter. If you want to add some color to it, you can do that. And I guess it also depends on the type of ink that you use. I'm using the archival ink, and this works. It doesn't come off. As you can tell, the ink is not coming off. I wanted to show you a close-up of how the ink blends to each of these cardstocks. The first one is with the Elmer's clear glue, and this is how it looks. Let me grab this, maybe this will be better so you can see it better. This is with the Elmer's clear glue. This is with the gel medium, the gloss gel medium. And I feel like the ink grabs a little bit more into this one. And I actually like how this one looks a lot better with the ink. If it was just the glitter, they all kind of look the same. The difference is not that big. But in this one, I can tell the difference a lot more with the ink. And this is with the Elmer's multi-purpose glue, dries clear. As you can see, all of them work. I haven't had any issues with any of the flowers that I've made. The glitter is still on, and you can even shape them. I like how making your own glitter gives your cards and flowers a new look. I hope that you are able to get inspired and to try to use your stash. If you have glue and glitter, you can transform plain cardstock into something sparkly and beautiful. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day, and take care.